Jamaica, shore fishing. Catch the vibes. Pull it up. Pull it up, 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 pull it up. Sun bust early on the Caribbean blue. Riding on me and yeah, me know what to do. Man take go be a breeze, kiss my face. Salt for my skin, yeah, me day in my place. Camera rolling, whole crew live. When the line starts scream, you know, say we arrive. Real spin fast, heartbeat quick. From the sea to the screen, yeah, we never miss.
When the water start boil and the rod them bend, every man pon deck knows say this a win. Pull it slow, hold it firm, don't rush the fight. When Jamaican shore fishing, they are it right.
Talk Jamaican shore fishing, pull it in. Pop big wave rock, yeah, we ride in the wind.
Slow time. Ooh, fish on, guys. Ooh, fish on, guys. Ooh, fish on already. Fish on. Got him. Fish on, guys. Ooh. Ooh, fish on, guys. Fish on. Got him. Told you. Got him. Got him. Haha. Ooh, fish on again. Fuck. Again, guys. Another one. Ooh. Bigger. Blip, blip. Murder. Ooh, fish on, guys. Fish on. Ooh, fish on. Jamaican shore fishing. Ooh, got him. Got him, guys. Ooh, y'all know a star. We're going to the bush. I thought the water was smoother than this from the other side. That's what it looked like. But it don't look very appetizing, but let's give it a shot this morning. Check our leads, check our lines. Random fishing, guys. This is not planned. Not something that I intended to do this morning. But I said I'm going to give it a shot anyways. And see if I can pick up lunch. Rolling solo today. So, shallow diver, quick sinking, crystal minnow, Yazuri. Alright guys, I'm running with a blue black back with silver. Let's see what we can pick up this morning. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Thank you guys for joining the channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, and stay tuned for more awesome lure fishing hookups with Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Love you guys. Without you guys, this wouldn't be possible, guys. And I thank you guys all for being part of Jamaican shore fishing and supporting the channel and giving us the superb support that we truly deserve. Thank you guys. 100%, guys. Let's see what we can pick up out there on that reef. Hopefully I don't get hitched up. Slow time. Ooh, fish on, guys. Ooh, fish on, guys. Ooh, fish on already. Fish on. Got him. Fish on, guys. Ooh, this is a big boy. Ooh. Oh, jackfish. Got him, guys. Oh, got a nice jackfish this morning, guys. Look at this. Haha. Jamaican shore fishing. String has started already, guys. That's what's up. Jackfish in the morning. Early settings this morning. We'll get them in the cooler. The cooler's actually in the car. And let's get this bad boy. Whew. Get my lip grip tool out and grab them. Hold them down for a second till I'm ready to go. Jackfish in the early morning. Made a mess of my hands already. Whoop whoop. Hit them already, guys. That's what's up. Knew it. Let's see if we can pick up a couple more, or maybe 2 more. Let's see what's up. We'll hang this bad boy here for a second. Woo! That was quick. That was quick. This is what's up with Jamaican shore fishing, guys. All action. No joke. No lie. Let's see if we can hit a bigger one. Same spot. I think he was just cruising by, this guy. Woo. Yazuri crystal minnow. Crazy ass lure, guys. It hits. Heavy hitter lure. No joke. Trying to get out here, get a better view. And not hitch up on that piece of stick out there, or whatever it is. But at the same time, I don't want to get wet. Alright guys, we're going to head around the other side on that point right there, because I always hit jackfish out there. This is the first I ever hit a jackfish at this spot right here. Yellow jack at that. Look at that. Awesome hookup. Jamaican shore fishing. Let's get moving with them. See if we can grab another one around here. Gotta be quick through this tide. I don't want to slip. Get my boot wet and get blood all over me from the fish. That's another thing. Hang them up here. We'll come back for them in a second. See if we can cast this spot right here. I gotta find this opening right here because there's some reefs. I gotta be careful of. Oh, I don't want to get wet. Definitely don't want that. No. There are little structures here, so I gotta be extremely careful. Very low tide. Alright, we're gonna shift from here, guys. I don't want to get stuck. I definitely didn't come with any water gears this morning. And let's keep on moving. We got one. I wish I could grab like 2 more. That'd be sweet. I can give a couple to the staff at work. That'd be cool. That'd be amazingly awesome. Let's drop this bad boy right here for a second. Mr. Jack, just relax. It's gonna be lunch anyways. Alright, let's get out here, guys. And see what's up. Keep that lure high. We'll come in with a wave over that reef. And that's what we don't want, is getting stuck on a reef, guys, because I'm gonna have to get totally wet just to get it. Not good. One more cast. Alright. I'm gonna shift around and try to get a better cast. Let's see what's up, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Find a nice little pool and keep this guy fresh. Put him down for a bit. Don't go too far. Here goes a nice one. Perfect. Yeah. Keep my tool wet also. Alright, good. Perfect. He's in a perfect spot. He ain't going nowhere. I'm not going to lose my tool. And try not to get wet at the same time. Alright, shore fishing. Here we go. The jacks are running. And that's what I'm trying to prevent, guys. Getting hitched. Because I'd have to literally walk out in that water in my boots. I'm going to try that drop off right there. See if I can get it in there. But I'll just have to just time it when the waves are coming up on this side to get over this edge of this reef right here, which sucks. Oh. That sucks. I'm gonna go to the other side, guys. I'm not taking a chance. I'd have to literally strip. Yeah, he's in there, he's alright. I literally would have to strip. Homeboy's fishing on hand line over there. Yeah, let's cast this side. I think I'll be less chance to get wet, and I can get my lure right here. And the wind is in my back, which creates a perfect cast. So opportunities there for a barra, jack. This is the calmest this water's been down here in a while, so can expect any kind of action, guys. See that lure way out there. Alright, shore fishing. We're on the hunt. We're searching. Oh, we have some ladies out here fishing. Morning. How you doing? Alright, guys. Always pick up a barra someplace off here shore fishing. Let's pick him up. Let's get him. Alright. Spot 2 shore fishing. We're hunting for that barra. I know there's one off here someplace. Let's try to find him. Definitely don't want to get hitched up on the rocks. It's low tide, guys. Searching to see if there's anything here. Nothing. Oh, fish on, guys. Fish on. Got him. Told you. Got him. Got him. Haha. That's it, baby. That's how we do it. Just like that. Woohoo. Yep. Jamaican shore fishing. Calm down. Alright, let's get you. Huh? Barracuda. Calm down, buddy. I mean, why you bite me? No? Calm down, calm down. Ah. Sure. See? Ah. Get down, mouth. Come on, relax. You're dead. Your lunch. Alright, let's continue fishing. So what do you eat, man? Check out my YouTube channel, Jamaican Shore Fishing on YouTube here. Jamaican Shore Fishing on YouTube. Yeah. Alright, let's hunt. Gotta go to work. Alright, that's one more. Right over there, guys. Let's hunt him. Oh, fish on again. Fuck. Again, guys. Another one. Oh, shit. Oh, man. Where did you go? Oh, you son of a bitch got me hitched up. Son of a bitch. Come on. Come on. Oh, you went in a rock. Son of a bitch. Oh. Got me hitched. Ah. Oh, you son of a gun, you. Him come off, man. Him going and eat one rock. Ah! Jaja God. You guys seen that? Shore fishing, you guys seen that shit just now? Oh my God, guys. Ooh! Nigga! Blip blip! Murder. Woo! Yeah, baby. That's what's up. Come here. That's what's up. Eh? Barra. One barra. Barracuda. Let's go. Another one. Fuck. Tools over there. Shit. Alright, let's go. I gotta get this rope out my hook, guys. This is crazy. Another barra. Another one today, guys. We're on the hunt. Shore fishing. Huh? I just how I do it. It's work. Hang tight. Fucking rope. Alright. Huh? Hey! What's up? How you doing? Eh? Me know. What going? Where you up to? Yeah, I'm videoing now. I'm videoing right now.
Oh my God.
So, barra. So, back to back. Hunting. How's it going? Did you finally get a camera? Yeah. Let me see if I can pick up another jack. I was actually looking for lunch and I want to finish this video real quick. But you have my number still.
Yeah, man.
Call me, man. Alright? Alright, darling. Yeah, guys. So, let me finish the hunt, guys. I'm trying to hunt here real quick. See if I can pick something else. One of them got away from me a while ago. Big one, guys. That was a huge one. Then this one just came out of nowhere, hit the line right here a while ago. I couldn't believe that hit. That was like a back-to-back hit, guys. So, I'm hunting. I'm gonna try off right here, off this edge right here, guys, and work this edge real quick. See if I could probably pick up a jack now. But if I seen that the barrow is around, so 99.9% chance, guys, there's jackfish hanging around because there's bait fish. So, working it, guys, working this lure, guys. I just lost one a while ago and I picked up two. So, it's crazy. Yuzuri is hitting today, guys. 3 barras, 1 jack, and oh my God, this is a crazy morning, guys. Crazy morning. Guess I'll have some lunch for the team, right? See if I can grab one more, guys. One of them hit after it and missed. Somebody hit after it just now and missed right there, guys. Hit after it and missed. Holy shit. Let's go. Let's see what's up. Trying to keep that lure down, but it keeps on getting caught on the line. Hold on a second. Get off the line. Alright, good deal. Check it. Good. Smell like fish this morning. Holy smokes, guys. Alright, guys, so that's it. Jamaican shore fishing. Productive morning this morning, guys. It's been a great morning. Thank you guys for joining the channel. Just remember, please like up the channel, like up the video, share up the video, guys, and thank all you guys for supporting the channel. We're here. I'm gonna put the catch up in a second so you guys can see what's going on. So far, back to back, 3 barras, 1 got away, and I hit 1 jack a while ago early on the other side that was about 3 pounds. So definitely stay tuned for those clips in this video. But let me get these bad boys up so you guys can see what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. double killer today on the barras, back to back, one got away. So stay tuned, Jamaican Shore Fishing. Please like, share, subscribe, watch the channel, and big up yourself. And I thank all you guys for supporting the channel. Enough love and respect to each and every one of you guys. See you on the next video. We are out here. We're looking again shore fishing. I'm gonna check the spot real quick and then we're gonna move on. Keep it moving. We're getting a hefty morning this morning, so let's keep the flow going, right? Shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Thank you guys for joining the channel. We've been hitting it this morning. This morning's been a very good morning. Ooh, fish on, guys. Oh, he got off. He didn't hit it. Oh my God, he missed it. Oh, long jaw. Long jaw, hit me. I don't know why I'm getting such a bad swim on the lure. I think my Y lead is bent. I'm getting a really bad swim on the lure lately, guys. Let me see what's up. Shore fishing signature seaweeds. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Remember to please like, share. I think this is why I'm getting a bad swim here. This goddamn thingy here. The lure just kept on twisting, giving me a bad swivel. And the swivel is there to keep it from doing that. So if the swivel is twisted, find yourself in a sticky situation. So let's get it back out there again one more time. Give it a shot. See if we're getting a better swim now. We had a hit from a long jaw a while ago. I'm always hitting barras out this side, guys. So oh, fish on, guys. Fish on. Ooh, fish on. Jamaican shore fishing. Ooh, got him. Got him, guys. Ooh, the jackfish. Go ahead, buddy. Ooh, barra. Come on, baby boy. I got you. Ooh. Come on, baby boy. Where you going, boy? Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Woohoo! Look at that. Big boy. Shore fishing. You guys seen that? This boy was hitting. Today is my day, guys. Barra day today. Killer for Manila. Come on, baby boy. Calm down. Calm down. You're dead. All right. Yeah. So we got our fish today, guys. That's it. We're done. Call it a day. Woo. We're done. We're going in. I think we did enough damage today, guys. Quick and fast. Hey, Rasta. Rasta, so fast. Quick and fast. One barra. Quick and fast, Rasta. Just see me pull up, so do. Check out my YouTube channel, Jamaican Shore Fishing on YouTube here. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, ain't good, man. Ain't good to go. Right now, I pat him, I go straight in this morning. Hey! That's that. When I ramp this morning, no?
You're not ramp, man. You're not ramp, man. You're not ramp. You're a family, man. You're a family, man. You just take up your rod and say, alright, me so come there.
Yeah, man.
What you mean, man? Mr. Mackie, if you
man.
may sick,
You
that
not
a
sick,
thing
man.
doing. If you may sick, no, if you may sick, you couldn't have the cups here. You see, man? Yeah, man.
Carry
You're a
them.
real family, man, you know. God, poor boy. Still, eh? God, thank you, man. You mean, man?
Yeah, man.
Bless up yourself, Ras.
Alright.
There, guys. You guys seen that? Jamaican shore fishing. We don't joke. We don't play with the thing. We don't play with the thing, shore fishing family. We're killers! Shore fishing killer! Woo! This morning, guys. That's what's up, my family. That's what's up, my shore fishing family. We hype with it this morning. We ain't playing with it. The Barracuda. 4 barra back to back, 1 jack. No joke. And that's because I decided to stop at this spot. I'm not even going to continue. I'm just going to stop. I had enough. I think I got enough already. All right. So stay tuned. I thank you guys for joining the channel, and I appreciate each and every one of you. I got to get to work, guys. I think I went about 5 minutes over, and I'm all right. I'll be all right. I got some. Today's a holiday, really. I'm not working, but I chose to work, so that's what's up. All right. So heading down to work, and I thank all you guys for joining the video. Love you guys. Enough respect all the time. All right. Bless up. Whoop, whoop.